everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to troubleshoot and fix Uber Eats promo code error so you can enjoy your discount. So now let's get started. So first things first, verify that the promo code you're trying to use is still valid. Check the expiration date and the terms of the promotion to make sure it applies to your order. Promo codes often come with restrictions like only working for the first-time users, specific restaurants, or a minimum order amount. So go back to the promo details to double check if your order qualifies. Now if the promo code is still valid, go ahead and re-enter it on the checkout page. Sometimes small typos like an extra space or wrong character can cause the code to fail. So be sure to input it exactly as it was provided. Now, if re-entering the promo code doesn't work, it could be an issue with a specific code. So try finding another active promo code online or through Uber Eats email promotions. Simply Google Uber Eats promo codes to see if there are other available codes that you can apply to your order. Now, if the promo code still doesn't work after trying all the steps, it is time to contact Uber Eats support. Go to the help section in the app, select promotion and discounts, and report the issue. Now you will need to explain that the code should have applied based on the terms of the offer and ask for assistance. And that is how you fix the Uber Eats promo code not applying error. So now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.